Viewers and subscribers, well, go on. You know, it's your guy, One Love Africa. I'm right here this morning. First, I want to say pleasant morning to everyone, or good morning, or blessed day. Any way you want to put it, or any way you want to take it. So right now, I'm going to try to show you guys that we are preparing ourselves for a Caribbean event here in Kenya, Nairobi. Well, it's not actually in Nairobi, it's in Kiambu section, but you know, they call everywhere Nairobi. So, it's in Kiambu area. I don't remember the name of the place, but I've never been there before. But the first time for me to go to that side in Kiambu. And I just want to show you guys what it's like. So this morning, it's actually 7:30, 7:45 right now. I'm filming this video. And we're going to be doing the prepping, the seasoning, and everything that needs to be taking place. So viewers, I want to walk through with me. I'm not going to be showing you guys what I'm seasoning in the kitchen, but we're doing some pre-cooking now. Season everything. We're going to do jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat, plantain, and maybe something else, festival or something else. So we're going to get right into it and show you guys what's going on at the event. So big selector G Money. You know, G Money, the boss, the ambassador for dancehall and reggae music in Jamaica to here in Kenya. So G Money is going to be selecting with a few other big selectors, big DJ. Yeah. So I want you guys to stay tuned and see what I go on. Now walk you through the event. I'll be showing you guys some clippings, show you guys when I'm grilling the chicken, and maybe show you guys when I'm seasoning the meat. So stay tuned. Your guy One Love Africa. We're there. Boom. Very tough. Viewers and subscribers, you know it's your guy One Love Africa, aka see there, the Jamaican shirt. So I go on, yardy. So it's your guy One Love Africa. When they are showing you guys the place, this is how the event that take place. It's a beautiful place. If we walk and show you guys how it is and what it's like. Big bad G Money there, one more big bad selector, Jam Tours Africa there. You don't know the team there. See it there, Jam Rock Restaurant, Jerk. See there?
Jerk.
Yeah, man.
Teach him how to jerk.
They teach him how to jerk. If you know what's the bad man, not jerk, to give him a flirt. Is it? So, viewers, stay tuned. Show you more. Too much rice. Too much rice. Yeah, let me see. Let's leave that. Cover it up. There should be what? Don't overpack it. Oxtail over here, so. Nice. curry goat over there, so rice and peas, first batch. So I'll go on, we have juices, we have the sorrel there, so. This is where the event is taking place, my viewers. Summer love, always gonna be around. Summer love, always gonna be so right here. Summer love, always gonna be around. Summer love, always gonna be around. Summer love, always gonna be around. Me cocky longer than me like. Tell me what you like. You want me try or you want me please? One night, you don't have it in a way. No long shot, you're like one tree. You don't put it in a boy, she is. Oh my God, boy, what you see? What the fuck you do? She a ball and I told me them a good boy. Them a no good man. Hey, she got them like say, me a tell last way. This is one of the way. Them a go be them change. Viewers and subscribers, as you can see, they are work from day till night. So what time now? 12 a.m. in the morning. So we've been here from 11 until 12. So as you can know, work I put in, party I go on, whole for vibes. So, you know what to talk much because the music is playing and I can't show you guys around because YouTube standards. So, YouTube purposes, can't do a long video because YouTube will ban this video and take it down. But anyways, my viewers, you don't know so there now, mash up the place already, you know. Jam Rock there, One Love Africa there, and the staff them there is it. So, they're all our vibes. One Love Africa. I'm out. Oh.